Okay, before that,
I have submitted mine.
Ma'am, I have submitted
Did you
the
check
science.
mine?
I have checked. No, all those who have submitted, I have checked. Those who have not submitted, how will I check? Okay.
Ma'am, I have submitted. Did you check? I submitted yesterday night.
Ma'am, my all are correct.
I have
Okay.
checked it, Anas. I have written the mistakes also. Just check the edited version. Okay. Check the edited version. You will come to
Ma'am,
know.
did you get mine?
Because I was not there and I was in the wedding, so I did not see the recording also.
Okay. Okay. So already 10 minutes gone. I don't know what happened to my laptop today. So let us begin with our class. What I'll do now. I need to share it because I am logging in through other device. So I have to again the screen.
Ma'am, now it is maths class, no, not science class.
Yes, it is maths class.
Actually, I'm not able to
Ma'am,
share.
did you check mine? I submitted yesterday night and I added a comment also that I submitted it.
Just a minute, just a minute. Everyone just write down the syllabus for essay,
Okay, ma'am.
summative assessment. I'm going to dictate it till that time. I'll just try, see. Just pause the recording, Abdullah. Pause the recording because I'm facing
Yes, ma'am.
difficult. So now I'll start with the class now. Okay, listen, what we'll do, tomorrow I'll take maths only because I need to cover a little bit in maths. Science, we have most of the topic we have finished. Just next week I'll take one class, the last class in science, and then we'll start with the revision. Okay, the revision of the chapter. Science syllabus also I'll let you know tomorrow, and math syllabus also I'll give you in writing tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Okay?
but you told that learn the elements and then you are going to listen us tomorrow. Now,
So
you're
tomorrow I'll
listening
do
Tuesday.
that also. I'll listen to the elements, atomic number, everything. 10, only 10. And in the next class, the last 10. Okay?
More 10.
Full 20.
Ma'am.
Yeah, full
Ma'am.
20.
So only till neon, right? Only till neon we have to
Tomorrow
learn,
till
right?
neon. Okay, I'll ask that. Then I'll begin with whatever is left in maths class because today we
Ma'am, I
missed.
learned the 10. Ma'am, I learned all the 10.
It's good if you learn
I
all
have
20
to
together.
Ma'am,
Yes,
so
Abdullah.
will you give one worksheet on Google Classroom that about the chapters which are coming in exam? The worksheet we can cover.
I'll
all
give you
the
a revision worksheet by the end of next week. Okay? We have 2 weeks left, right? Next week and next to next week. So next week we'll start with the revision, whatever we have done. It will be 50 marks paper. Okay. So please start preparing well because it is a long paper and most probably it will be like well guarded one, not like online one and doing anything and looking here and there. So it would be like strict one. So please just do it honestly, everyone. You cannot take help from anyone. So prepare well this time. Okay, I'll do revision from the next week. So tomorrow
And we will do the previous chapters of fraction and all also, right? Revision.
everything will revise. Okay.
Yeah,
But
maths
you-
more
Ma'am,
portion is
the
there than
exam will be
science.
not online. Ma'am, exam will be
And
not
what will
online.
be the time duration?
you will get to know about it. So that's why I'm telling you honestly, prepare well for the exam because it will be a long paper, 50 marks. Okay. So prepare well.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
How much
Ma'am,
time
the
we
math syllabus is more than the science one, so we will need more time to revision, like fraction, percentage, conversion.
ठीक है, science
We have
will
to do.
revise because science तो most of the chapter we did in FA ना, most of the
Yes, ma'am.
portion
Science will that compounds elements will come, ma'am.
yes, so that
And
is
then
very small.
combustion and
So,
ignition,
ma'am, for that,
temperature,
what
and then
chapter can we refer,
separation,
ma'am? What
separation
chapter?
of method.
Ma'am,
See,
what
I have
chapter
given you
can
the
we?
notes now. I'll give you the questions also. So what type of questions will come? Okay. Mainly
Paper
everything
pattern.
depends on the atomic number. Atomic number pe everything depends. Okay. Why? Because atomic number is number of protons. So even if it is asked to draw a structure of suppose neon, if I say draw a structure of neon atom, so what you will do, you will draw at the center, you will draw protons and neutrons, and outside you will draw first shell में 2 electrons and next shell में 8 electrons. I have told you first में 2 होना चाहिए, second में 8 maximum, third में भी 8 maximum. ठीक है? So you'll be getting to draw the atomic structure of any atom या particular atom. Hydrogen का बनाने आ
And
सकता है.
we have to label them also, right? This is the shells,
Yes.
this is electrons, and
Correct,
P plus.
correct. That you have done now, you have drawn in your notebook also, right? So in revision, I'll make you do some more questions.
Ma'am,
How the
I want
questions will be done.
I want to ask you something.
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, the atomic number is number of protons and electrons are the number of protons, right? Then
Yes.
what is the number of neutrons?
Number of neutron is mass number is given in the question always. So mass number minus number of proton is equal to neutron.
So,
Understood?
ma'am, we don't need to do like
Learn mass
tell, right?
number.
Neutrons and mass number. Okay.
No.
Ma'am,
Mass
mass
number will,
number and that all will come in exam. Only atomic number will come, na?
And
yes.
give the science
Mass number
syllabus
will be
also now.
given in exam that this is the mass number, then what will be the neutron number in the atom. You already know the proton number by atomic number, so you just subtract, because mass number I have given you, mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. ठीक है?
Wow, ma'am, we will do maths in science paper.
You have to do. Maths and science are related. Understood? So why do we
Yeah.
learn maths? Because we use it in science also. Maths is a tool. Like you have seen a carpenter tool hota hai, something to repair. So same way, science may you need maths to learn science also for the calculation part. Okay? So that is why we learn this thing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in physics,
in
maths
science-
comes, na? Ma'am, in physics, maths comes, right?
Yes, yes. Physics also, in physical chemistry, one part of chemistry is also requires maths. That is physical chemistry. You know, chemistry is further divided into physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So in physical chemistry, you need maths. Again, the calculation part. Okay?
Ma'am, you have done both science and maths, right?
I have done, my main subject is physics, but when you do physics, you have to do maths also.
Ma'am, all
So
the world
physics
has
can't go
maths,
without
ma'am.
maths.
All the world has maths, ma'am.
All the world has maths.
Yes.
No,
Yes, ma'am. In daily life, we use maths. Is same like
correct,
that.
correct. Every day-to-day life, in all problems, you have to use maths only. Okay?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to say something.
Tell me.
Ma'am, in science syllabus, separation of methods, ignition, temperature, and combustion, and this atom
Physical,
elements and
chemical
compounds.
changes, irreversible, reversible change,
Yeah.
combustion, and separation of substance will be new this time. Okay? Separation of substance didn't come in.
Ma'am, separation of substance, give worksheet of that also, huh? That's the very.
Ma'am, it will not come.
I have given 2 worksheets on separation.
Yes, but
Yeah,
then
ma'am.
will come on essay.
What?
Ma'am,
What do you
separation will come in exam.
will come in essay.
Yes. In essay, you will get separation of substance. Okay, tomorrow I'll let you know the topic once again. Okay?
And ma'am, we will have to draw a diagram also, right?
Tomorrow, everything I'll just clarify about the syllabus and everything. Today, let us do some questions, word problems on addition and subtraction of integers and what type of questions will come. This is our last topic in maths. Okay? This will be our last topic in maths. Is it clear? Word problems of
Yes,
addition and
ma'am.
subtraction. So,
Ma'am, then the year will end and we will meet after 2 to 3 months.
not 2 to 3 months, right? You have exam now. Okay.
No,
Shyam,
ma'am,
has
after
overdrawn-
the
After
exam.
exam, 50.
Okay. Okay. Let us worry about exam first. Okay. Shyak has overdrawn his checking account by rupees 38. Okay. The bank debited him rupees 20 for an overdraft fee. Later, he deposited rupees 150. What is his current balance? He has drawn this much.
And what is deposit and what is overdrawn?
Deposit means when you are putting it in bank. Okay, you're depositing it, right? When you deposit money in bank, you're putting it in bank. Okay, debited means taking out. Okay, understood this? So you're putting 150, taking out 20 and taking out 38. So these will be minus and minus, correct? Right? So 150 minus 38 and minus 20 you will have to do. What is the answer? Tell me. In this type, see, this will be normal addition subtraction ka question only. You have to just put sign. So that is why it comes under integers. When you, whatever you are depositing is plus. Okay? So 150 is, you have 150 plus, and whatever you are removing is minus.
The answer is 90.
Correct. Answer is 92.
Can you say the question?
See, this person he has deposited 150 and he has taken out 20 rupees and 38 also he has overdrawn. Drawn means taken out. So whatever is taken out is negative. So you will write 150 minus 38, okay, and minus 20. What is the answer? 150 minus 38 and minus 20.
92.
So total answer is 92. So this way you get the answer. Okay. Now next question. See what mainly you get na temperature ka question, rise in temperature and fall in temperature. Anna is a microbiology student. She was doing research on optimum temperature for the survival of different strains of bacteria. Okay. Studies show that bacteria X need optimum temperature of minus 31 degrees Celsius, while bacteria Y need optimum temperature of minus 56 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature difference? Okay. Now,
Then 56 minus 31.
no, whenever difference is asked, na, so you have to do greater minus smaller. So which one is greater? Tell me.
50,
Which one is
minus 31.
56.
Minus
Minus.
31.
No, minus 31 is greater.
Minus 56.
Okay, so your answer will be minus. Now when they have asked temperature difference, you have to do greater minus smaller. So greater is minus 31, then you have to put a negative sign because difference means subtract. Okay, and then you will do minus 56. Okay, what is the answer now?
Ma'am,
Check.
how come minus 31 is greater than minus 56?
Minus 25, ma'am.
Tell how it is
I'm-
greater on the number line. If
Ma'am,
you
minus
see
20.
minus 31 comes
No,
first
ma'am.
and then comes minus
I-
56.
I thought that it is of the temperature you are talking about greater.
I'm talking about temperature only. Okay?
हाँ ma'am, so ma'am 56 will be more hot, right?
Ma'am,
More hot
plus-
than 30.
Minus 56 is more cold. And minus 31 is
It's
less
minus
cold.
56, not 56.
It is minus 56, not plus. Minus and plus has got big difference. So now what is the answer? Anyone has calculated
Minus
this?
25, minus 25.
How come it is minus 25? Minus and minus becomes plus.
Yes,
So
ma'am. The answer
Ma'am,
is
बीच में
25.
एक और एक माइनस है मैम, बीच में एक और एक माइनस है तो प्लस
अरे, दो
Minus, minus, plus, minus.
2 minus becomes plus. So next statement is minus 31 plus 56.
तो मैम it will do minus only ना मैम 31
You
minus
do minus, but your answer will be in plus.
Yes, ma'am.
So
plus 25 ma'am, plus 25.
25 answer is. The answer
Yes.
is 25.
So plus 25 degrees Celsius is the answer. Okay. Now next one. Kamla has gone for a hiking trip. She ended a hike at an elevation of 5,000 feet above sea level. Okay. So suppose this is our sea level. Above sea level is taken as positive and below sea level is taken as negative. Okay. This you have to consider in the question. Now, when they say Kamla has gone hiking, she ended a hike at elevation of 5,000 feet above. So, which is plus 5,000. Okay. She had started at an elevation of 5,000 below sea level. So, 5,000 below is minus 5,000. Okay. Now, which integer represents Kamla's change in elevation? So, what is a change in elevation?
Ma'am, minus to plus, minus to plus.
So change again, change is difference. So you have to write from what is the final one? Final is plus. ठीक है? She reaches plus 5,000. Okay, minus 5,000.
Ma'am, you will do plus.
Ma'am, 10,000 minus
10,000.
Ma'am,
Yes.
plus and
10,000.
minus 10,000 because both are same.
So what is the
Minus plus
change?
minus equals to plus.
Yes, so it becomes 10,000. Is it clear? How do we do this type of question?
And
So,
plus
ma'am,
plus
what about, ma'am, what happened to this plus, ma'am? Plus 5,000. So it will be our year, ma'am, plus
It is
10,000.
plus now. Above sea level is plus and below sea level is minus, and they have asked change in elevation. So change is difference. So that is why you have to put a negative sign. Okay? Is it clear? What are you writing? I don't understand plus plus plus. क्या है ये? So this way you have to do this question. I'm erasing it. Tomorrow I'm
What
going to
problems
make
are going to come in integers?
Yes, this is the last topic. That's what I told now. So tomorrow I'm going to make you write the question and do it. Some questions I'll give you in homework also. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
But you
ma'am.
will make
Just to
us.
explain you. These questions are
Yeah,
to
you will explain to me.
I know I am explaining it today. Tomorrow you will have to do it on your own. Okay? The temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius. You can see over here, this is minus 15. How much must it rise to reach 6 degrees Celsius? So here it is 6 degree. So what you will do, again change in temperature you have to find. So you will do 6 minus 15. Okay? You will do
Plus 6 minus.
plus 6 minus 15. So how much is that? 6 plus 15?
Ma'am, 15 plus 6 equals to 21. The answer is
And minus
21.
21. Minus
21
21.
Plus
So
होगा ना?
only 21 degree.
Only 21.
Because minus plus minus equals to plus.
Correct, yeah.
But ma'am,
So it is
15 is
21.
bigger.
You can see from here, but 15 is bigger, but you are putting a negative sign
Ma'am,
because we are subtracting.
So, ma'am,
Right, change,
minus
different.
15.
In all these words, you have to put a negative sign on your own. When we write subtract, what is the change? What is the difference? You have to put a negative sign on your own. So bigger minus smaller. 6 is bigger than minus 15. So 6 minus 15 is 21. Okay? And you can
Ma'am,
count here
minus
also.
15 is more colder than the minus 50. Minus 15 is more colder than plus 6 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why.
Yes.
Okay,
You
so
can
we will
count
do
it
6
from
minus
here also,
15.
it comes out to be 21. You can count from here 5, 10, 15, 20 and 21. Till 6 it has to rise 21 degree. And from mathematical calculation also you see you are getting 21 degree only. Okay. So this type of question also comes in integer word problem. The
So, ma'am, you will
temperature.
explain one more time tomorrow, right? This.
Tomorrow I'll give you new questions. Okay.
Okay.
Now see this question. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places. Okay, so this is in different temperature. You see Srinagar is here, which is how much? Srinagar is how much degree Celsius is there at Srinagar? Can you tell me? What is the temperature of Srinagar?
Minus 2.
Correct, minus 2 degree Celsius. What is the temperature of Shimla?
5, ma'am.
Plus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, what is the temperature of Ooty?
14 plus 14.
Plus 14. And what is the temperature of Bangalore?
22. Plus 20.
Everyone has understood how to plot the number line and how to write the numbers on the number line. Okay. Now the question is,
Compulsory to write the number line.
when it is asked in the question, Muhammad, you have to draw the number line. Okay.
Ma'am, the coldest place is Lahore Spiti and the hottest place is Bangalore.
You have to find the difference. You have to find the difference. Hottest is Bangalore, which is 22, and coldest is Lahul Spiti. Okay. How much is that temperature? Minus 6, minus 7, and minus 7.
Ma'am, answer is 15.
Is it? How will you calculate? Yeah.
Ma'am, plus minus minus.
This is your -8. Okay.
Wait, ma'am.
And this is how much? 22. Okay. Whenever difference is asked, I have told you, you have to do greater minus smaller. Okay. So greater is how much? Greater is 22.
Minus.
Correct.
Yeah, so plus 22 minus minus 8.
Ma'am, answer
But-
is 20.
Ma'am,
20.
ma'am, 14, ma'am, 14.
Answer is 30. Answer is 30.
14.
Yes. Answer is 30.
22 plus 8 is 30.
Is it clear?
So, ma'am, 30 is the
you have to
Thirty.
put negative sign on your own, and bigger minus smaller you have to do. This negative will come on your own because they have asked difference. And
Ma'am,
difference,
if it will be bigger minus smaller, then the negative sign will not come.
it will come. Bigger minus
Ma'am.
smaller you have to do. 22 is bigger and -8 is smaller. Okay. So 22
In the
minus
answer,
30 is
ma'am.
the
In the answer, the negative sign will not come.
22 minus
Nahi. Yeah, depends on the question. It mostly doesn't come negative sign in answer. Whenever difference is asked, negative doesn't come because ये plus हो जाता है, right? But if two
ma'am,
negative
30 is the
are there,
difference.
you can get. If two negative are there, you might get. Okay.
Ma'am, 30 is the difference, right?
Yes, 30 is the difference. Like
Ma'am, so
suppose
always
change-
these type of questions will come. We need
Yes,
to subtract from the.
change पूछा है, rise पूछा है, how
Ma'am,
much
Then
difference
if there are
there is.
two same integers, so we will make it plus, and if there are two different integers, we'll make it minus.
Suppose it is asked what is the difference in temperature 22 degree and 8 degree. So what you will do, you will do 22 minus 8 because both are positive. You will put a negative on your own. So 22 minus 8. ऐसे ही करते थे ना? What is the difference of two numbers? You put negative on your own, right? What is the difference between 30 and 5? So what
So,
you
ma'am,
do?
always in this minus minus or plus plus will come, right?
नहीं, अगर this one is negative, then only you have minus minus. अगर ये दूसरा number is plus, so you will get just 30 minus 5. Depends on the question because our lower temperature was -8, so that's why you got a -8 over here.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Rest of the question we'll do tomorrow. And tomorrow, just go through this, what we did today. Tomorrow, you will have to try on your own. Okay, today I explained the question. Tomorrow, you will be doing in class.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
and then tomorrow, I'll give you homework. Word problem homework.
Yes. But ma'am, we will discuss tomorrow like these questions, right? We will do
I'll
after
discuss
that.
this also. I'll discuss science also. Science ke atomic numbers, symbol, and that till 1 to 10. Okay, so learn it. Okay,
Okay,
understood?
ma'am. Bye,
everyone?
ma'am.
So that's
Bye, ma'am.
all. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.